everyone, welcome to Bonnie's Creative Cooking. And when I say creative, we're really gonna have to get creative because I am missing a couple of ingredients that would usually make this meal scrumptious, but nevertheless we're still gonna have to make do with what we have and it will still be delicious. So it's chicken a la cheese a la rice. I don't know why I say a la, but I like a la. Anyway, so what we do, I've already pre-prepared a little bit of what I guess we're supposed to have. Some chicken breast, some balsamic vinaigrette, yes, and usually use coconut oil, but I ran out, so whatever is in the fridge. So I guess margarine will do. I don't even know, that's probably not the healthiest thing. I didn't buy it, my roommate did, so sorry girl, I'm gonna use your margarine. It's not the healthiest thing, but sister gotta get something. So what I did, I already have it, and I usually then just have a little bit of onions. Just cut the onions up. Big, I like a lot of onions. I put a little bit more onions in there. It's a nice seasoning. Important seasoning. Have that. And then a big clove of garlic. And I usually like cut the clove in like half and then use the knife and like press down, try to like squish it up a little, and then stupid thing. Then I cut it up even more, like not too much because I still want to identify the garlic. I just want the flavor in it, and I still want to eat it. Might as well, because there goes the Mrs. Dash, so we ran out of dash too. I just do like a little, like this much salt. It's like not even, like I don't like too much. I don't really want to cook with salt, but then we're gonna use a little black pepper, a lot of black pepper. Season to taste. Okay. Simmer down. We're also going to direct. So, going to cook some rice. Here we have white rice from Market Pantry. Again. And we're gonna use about 1 cup of rice. Of course, I'm cooking, so I'll have something for tomorrow because I'm not cooking twice. Rice, almost a cup, whatever this is. And for every cup, it's 2 times the amount of water. So for 1 cup, we need 2 cups of water. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. 2 cups of water. And we're gonna turn this stuff onto a medium heat. And we're going to put the cover on just halfway there. Do not forget your little salt for taste. Just a little salt for taste. And also we would want to stir the rice. So, we're going to leave that on there. And we're going to return in 15 minutes to check the progress. Okay? Oh, my. Yeah, that's it. I already add the balsamic vinegar, and then I'm just going to stir it in.